So my son and I, we're gonna install some ditch light brackets from Z1 Off-Road. A little digital install menu. Thank you for purchasing. These are custom for the 2022 plus Nissan Frontiers. I have a 2025 Pro-4x, and basically we're gonna go ahead and just mount these up. I haven't purchased the lights yet, but my son right here is gonna help me take care of all this today, and we're gonna go ahead and see how long it takes us to just bolt them both on. Even bought a new toolkit today just for this. I don't have house tools. I only got work tools. All right, so we got a 12 millimeter here. I'm gonna try first. In every video I watch, they always recommend somebody holding the hood just in case. And so we're going to go ahead and do that today. I was telling my son right here that we're going to do the bolts and the hood's going to like just sling off and land in the yard, bend up everything, scratch everything all up. Mom going to be mad. Is that easy? Okay, guess that's it. So one's done. Gonna get the other one on there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this bracket right here for a minute and break this free. 1, 2. Okay, feels pretty good. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, you want to grab this camera and just put it over there at that angle, and we'll look at the brackets as I close the hood. So there's no cutting. Everything is where it needs to be.